Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution to the 11th question in exercise 7.7. Let's look at the first subdivision. Integral 6x plus 7 divided by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 dx. First, I'm going to do the changes in the denominator. So this will become 6x plus 7 divided by root of. Now I'm multiplying x minus 5 into x minus 4 and generating a quadratic equation. So it will become x squared minus 9x plus 20 dx. Now what I'm going to do is, I want this to be substituted. So the numerator is going to change accordingly. Now let's see what I'm going to do as a substitution. So integral, this numerator I'm modifying as 6x plus 7 minus 27 and plus 27 divided by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 dx. Now this I'm going to break. So this will become 6x minus 27 divided by root of x squared minus 9x plus 20. I'm going to do an integral here dx. Then this plus 7 and plus 27, I'm writing it as plus 34 divided by root of x squared minus 9x plus 20 dx. Now in this first case, I'm going to put x squared minus 9x plus 20 as t. So x squared minus 9x plus 20 is equal to t. So 2x minus 9 dx is equal to dt. Now I'm going to multiply this by 3. So this will become 3 into 2x minus 9 dx is equal to 3 dt. If we multiply and see, this is 6x minus 27 dx is equal to 3 dt. So this particular expression is going to become 3 dt. In fact, that is the reason we added plus 27 and minus 27. So 3 dt, integral 3 dt divided by root of t. So this is going to be in the first case. I'm taking the 34 outside. So integral dx divided by root of. Now I'm going to make this as a perfect square. So let's compute that. So x squared minus 2 into x into, now let's find out what is going to be the b. So the b has to have been 9 by 2. If b itself is 9 by 2, then b squared is going to be 81 by 4. So I have to make a plus and minus 81 by 4. So let's do that. So x squared minus 9x plus 81 by 4, then there is a minus 81 by 4 plus 20. Now this I'm going to take the 3 outside. So 3 into integral of dt divided by root t plus 34 integral dx divided by, now this part will get completed. So root of x minus 9 by 2 the whole squared. So all this part will be replaced with x minus 9 by 2 the whole square. Now let's work on minus 81 by 4 plus 20. You take LCM, it is minus 81 plus 80 by 4, which means it's minus 1 by 4. Now let's apply the formula. In this case, I'm going to do, this is integral 3 into integral of dt by root t. After integration, it is t power half divided by half plus 34 into, now this is of the form root of 1 by root of x square minus a squared. So the formula is going to be log of x, so which is x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square plus a square. So this is x minus 9 by 2 the whole square minus of 1 by 4 plus c. Let's do the simplification here. So this is 6 into t to the power half. I'm putting back the t, which is the entire expression. So t is 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into log of x minus 9 by 2. I can take the LCM. For now, I'm not bothering about it. So this is going to be, after simplification, it will be simply the original expression divided by a constant. So original expression was x square minus 9x divided by 20. The whole thing you would have actually had a 4, but that is a constant, so I can take it out here. So this will be the final answer. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. In the second subdivision, I'm going to modify the numerator again. So integral of 2x plus 3, I'm going to put a plus 1 and a minus 1 divided by root of x squared plus 4x plus 1 dx. So I can break this integration into two parts. So this will become integral of 2x plus 4, I'm keeping that as one part, divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 1 dx. So minus 1 into dx divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 1. So this part I'm going to put the denominator as t. So x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to t. So which means 2x plus 4 into dx is equal to dt. So the first integration will become integral dt divided by root t minus integral of dx divided by root of, here I'm going to put completion of square. So it is x square plus 4x plus 4 will be a complete square. So I'm going to put a plus 1, then there is a minus 4. So this will become x square plus 4x plus 4. The plus 1 I'm adding it to the minus 4, so this will become minus 3. So now let's integrate. So this is going to be t to the power half by half minus integral, this is of the form dx divided by root of x plus 2 the whole squared minus root 3 the whole squared. Now we can apply the formula directly. So in the first term, this is going to become 2 into root t. So let me write it like that, minus, this is x square minus a square. So the formula is going to be log of x plus root of. So this is going to be x is x plus 2 plus root of this particular expression. So on simplification, it will be the original expression only. So I am writing it directly, x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. Now let's put back the value of t. So 2 into root of x square plus 4x plus 1 minus log of x plus 2 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 12th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.